What is up, nerd friends? Welcome back to the Nerd Bench. This week, we're going to take a trip to the Peacock Pit. The rain's broke. It's been raining here in Northern California a bunch, but when it breaks, the Peacock Pit gets opened for business. So we had an epic day of RC at the Peacock Pit, and this is, I don't know, 9 or 10 minutes of our first battery pack from Sunday morning. It's the second half of the battery pack, so everybody's kind of warmed up. And some guys don't really run with us on a regular basis, and it shows. There was a lot of action, and I thought it was very entertaining. Always get asked what we're running in these things, and they're all two-wheel drive slashes. We run a spiral pin rear tire. It's actually like a carpet tire that Schumacher makes. And they're all 2-cell lipos, because that's a common question. And we're all running either the stock VXL system in a couple of the trucks, or like Mark and I both have Max 10 G2 combos. His trucks have a 3300 kV with a 68 and I think a 19 tooth pinion. I have a 4000 kV, or maybe it's 4100 kV, with an 86 spur gear and a 16 tooth pinion. Ethan's truck has a QuicRun system in it, and I think Hot Rod's truck has a QuicRun system in it. Ethan's is a 4000 kV with a 16 tooth pinion. Hot Rod's, it's the 3660 motor, so the longer one with the 5mm shaft. And I think the smallest pinion we had around was a 21, so he ended up with 8621. Norm's running a VXL system, and Kevmo's running a VXL system as well. So you can ID all the cars in the video. Mine is the orange one with the Hobbywing stickers on it. I would say it's the light orange, because there's like 4 orange trucks. Hot Rod's truck is the yellow truck. James is in the orange with the black on the back. Norm's is the orange with the black on the front. Those are like a darker orange. Kevmo's in the truck that changes color throughout the run because the paint starts falling off, but it's mostly white and black. And then his Royal RC Highness, Mr. Mark Weir himself, is running the all pink truck, because we run until the evening, and it's advantageous to have a brightly colored truck. But like I said, this is about 10 minutes, second half of our first battery pack. Hope you enjoy. Back to the front. Oh. No. Oh. Woohoo!
Thank you, Norm.
How you got your reach? Thank you. Oh.
It probably was on its way. It was old. That's for sure.
Oh, sorry, Yellow.
As soon as I changed the setting on the hole, it just said I'm done now. And my wheel came there.
Remember, James, we were talking about that body?
Oh yeah, you like to stay on the top.
Oh, it loves it. It's got home up there.
Whoa, get out of it. Oh. I got you.
Oh.
Is that James?
Yeah, buddy.
I can't get away. Oh no!
Got away.
That's big, dude.
Oh! Wow! What are you even doing?
I don't know.
The TSM might be on, dude. That was whack.
Oh my god.
Yes!
Nudge you.
I'm in a bad spot, really.
I like the pelvic thrust on that one.
No! Rain down blood.
Oh no!
Find a friend, wimp. Just because we need a better landing. It does handle better, Charlie.
I had to stop and wait for a truck to come crashing by me.
Oh, I can't get that, dude. I taste it every time. Thank you.
Oh, crossing streams. Whoa.
There's a lot of orange out there. The gumball fleet is here.
Oh! Ah!
He is orange, dude.
He isn't. Probably a better question.
I really laughed so hard at his boss like
Dude, I'm trying to get away from that thing, dude. That thing is wild.
Oh!
No. Okay, we got to not do that, Kevin.
I was trying to get out of the way.
You just, what are you doing, dude?
There's a jump there for a reason.
You don't have to take yourself out. You just have to drive less.
I just gotta get out of the way. I was laughing so hard. I was like, Jesus Christ, I can't get out of my own way.
Oh. Damn you, Charlie.
I came in there perfectly and parked in your face.
I know.
It's a face park.
Oh, God.
Oh. Oh. Thanks, Kevin.
All right, pit. Everybody to the pit.
I can't get to
I'm
the
starting
pit.
to sweat. I'm like, gotta take my sweatshirt off.
Well,
Whoa! I'm not even touching
that was
it.
awesome. Wait, hey, stop!
I did. That thing just took off.
It jumped right through the table. That was sick.
Missed my head.
Dude, it just took a road.
Did it go? It went through the table? Was that just what happened?
Road racer, dude. Dude,
The thing was, it's upset at your driving.
that was great.
It's like, you treat me like this.
It just goes to show you can't turn your back on any of it.
I did a whirlwind because I thought we were going to the pits, and then all of a sudden, that thing missed my head by mere inches.
Dude, I wasn't
Did it go over the table?
It was just sitting there.
That would have knocked me out.
Yeah.
How loose are your nuts, dude?
That was the best driving it's ever done all day. Dude, I was like right here, and it went right underneath my face and shot the gap.
I hope we got that on the video. So what'd you think? You like that? You want more of that? But I do have footage from Friday evening and Saturday as well. If you want more Peacock Pit racing action, just leave it in the comments down below. It just takes one comment. I'll make more videos like that. Do you like podcasts? We do a podcast. It's called RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing. We give away free stuff each and every episode. All you have to do to find out how to enter to win is listen to an episode. Just look up RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing on your favorite podcast service. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can email us directly, northamerica@hobbywing.com. Another episode of The Charlie Show right here on the Hobbywing official YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.